Hey guys, welcome to Web World Tech. This video is going to be very interesting because in this video we are going to talk about our user experience. So basically whatever type of application or code you write or you build, all are targeted for some kind of users, right? So we need to understand what is the experience we are giving to our users. And for that we have user experience monitoring with elastic observability in today's topic. Now this is a very interesting introduction which Elastic has given in Kibana setup, and we are going to explore and understand about this, and that how does it help us to understand our users and our application experience which we give it to them. So as you understand, you are catering to a large set of audience, especially if you work on web or in any kind of application. Actually there's a huge set of user browsers, different versions, different OS. It's a web view, it's Chrome, Safari, anything can happen, right? So we need to understand what and also network is also a big part in it. So I'm not sure that how is my applications are performing for different users in different network. In 3G my application can be slow, in 4G it can be good. The vitals of the application, the core web vitals can be good, bad. So let's understand at the real time that what is happening to my users. So for that, the first thing which they have introduced, which I like the most, is like core web vital. They are giving you the data of based on different percentile of users, that what kind of experience you are giving it to your users on different networks at real time. Now that's very exciting. I can see that for this user in this city, what kind of experience they are getting. Basically what I'm trying to say is, like, you can find the user experience of the user exactly from the location where they are using to. It might be based on different network or any kind of scenario which they are using. Even you can see in the high-end devices or low-end devices, how is your application performing. Your JavaScript is downloading slow, you need a different CDN network there, or any kind of stuff like that. So that's very cool, right? So now that's one part of it. Let's go to the next part. Next I want to understand that what is the page load distribution based on OS, browser, device, location. So I want to see, like, how many percentile of user are getting what kind of experience based on all these breakdowns. So this is also a by default setup which is given by Elastic RUM integration, that is real time user experience monitoring setup. So we'll also see in a different video that how to integrate that with a real time demo, that you guys can comment it out if you need that real time live demo setup. I'll provide another video for that. Yep. Coming to the next section, it's very important for us to find out like total number of page views followed by in a like timeline wise, like at what point of at what peak hours, what is my unique users, how it is how is the system behaving in those peak hours, in all those metrics and all. Especially there's one also interesting feature here, that I can filter out my all these set of details, including errors which can be segregated into third party errors and my system errors. All those kind of stuff, we'll be talking about that in the next section. So it can be filtered based on the URL which your users are using. Maybe if you have one first page or any other pages which can be used throughout your website. Now next section is very interesting, that is about the errors, which is very important part of any system. Now Elastic captures this very beautifully, and it gives you a separation between your errors of third party and your application errors. So guys, that's about the overall Elastic user experience, and you can utilize it in a lot of interesting manners. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.